Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our case study series where we show you real jobs from our very own Dustless Blasting business owners. Now today we're talking all about graffiti removal and how you can make big bucks on offering these services with Dustless Blasting. Two industrial buildings in downtown Houston needed to be restored in order to transform them into luxury loft apartments. Now the first building is 5 stories tall and the other one across the street is 2 stories. The 5-story building was a challenge because it was covered in graffiti inside and out on all 5 floors. It covered the antique brick, the concrete, and the wood beams inside the building. When working in an enclosed space like this, dry blasting would have filled the area with a hazardous cloud of dust and could possibly etch this antique brick. The dustless blasting process was perfect for this job because it suppresses dust, allowing others to continue working nearby. Our dustless blasting business owner was able to remove all the graffiti on all 5 floors with his DB800 Mobile XL. He blasted at 95 psi and was able to maintain pressure even when extending his 100-foot blast hose up to the rooftop. His production rate was about 500 square feet per hour, and he charged a daily rate of $3,000. Just look at these awesome results. The next graffiti removal job we have is this historical bridge. Now the challenge here is that the brick is really soft and can be prone to pitting or etching when dry blasting or operating at a pressure that's too high. The bridge is also near a body of water and stray debris was a real concern here. However, because dustless blasting can be easily contained without creating a plume of dust, it was the perfect choice for environmentally sensitive areas such as this one. This contractor also used the DB800 Mobile XL to wet blast all the graffiti off this 580 square foot bridge in 4 hours. He used 4070 crushed glass as his abrasive with the number 6 SLV nozzle. For containment, he was able to lay plastic sheets on the ground to collect all the spent media. Because the emissions and debris are encapsulated and weighted down by water when wet blasting, this causes it all to fall straight to the ground, making cleanup easier than ever. After expenses, this contractor walked away with over $2,000. The last job we're looking at is this 700 square foot exterior building that was covered in graffiti. The contractor chose to wet blast the wall using 7100 crushed glass at around 100 psi. He was able to blast the entire thing in 4.5 hours and only used 4 bags of media. That's right, only 4 bags. The bottom of the wall was marble, so he chose not to blast that, but instead used City Strip, which is a paint stripping gel. After that, he sprayed marble polish on it, and here are the results. When the wall dried, he was tasked with applying an anti-graffiti coating from Sherwin-Williams, which is excellent for graffiti resistance. This dustless blasting business owner worked a total of 6 hours and walked away with over $3,500. I'd say that's a pretty good work day. Well, that's all I have for you guys on this case studies episode. I'll list all the products mentioned in the description below, and we'd love to hear from you guys, so make sure to leave any questions or feedback in the comment section. And as always, visit dustlessblasting.com for more information about our machines and how to be successful with them. We'll see you guys next time.